Hi guys, in my last video I showed you how to download the AUDACES 360, a complete solution to your fashion business. I took you through step by step how you can actually download everything that has to do with AUDACES 360. If you've not watched that video, I advise you to go ahead and watch that video before you come to watch this one. Because without downloading the AUDACES 360, you will not be able to download the one that I am going to be showing you today. And that is how to download the AUDACES CAD pattern drafting software. So if that is what interests you, then don't go away. Stay tuned and let us go ahead and let's download the AUDACES 360 CAD pattern drafting software. Once you get to Google, click on AUDACES 360. It takes you here, go to client area, and then here you sign in with your email and password, and it takes you to your client area. As I said, you need to download AUDACES 360 before you are able to log into this client area. In the client area, you have all the softwares that has to do with AUDACES 360. And then you install the AUDACES 360, click on install, and then wait for it to open. That is it, it is downloading. Once it has downloaded, click on it, and there you have it. And then you click on that, and then you're going to wait. After installing it, this is what it looks like on your desktop. So you now click on that, and then you sign in again, and there is your dashboard once again. If you look at your client area, you can see that anywhere you see install is something that you can install. It's part of your package. But today we are going to be installing the AUDACES pattern. So click on install. So once you click on install, you see that it is downloading. Wait for it to download. And once it has finished downloading, you see it right there. You're now going to click on it. That is where it is on my desktop. I'm going to click on it. And I'm going to follow the step-by-step thing. First of all, choose the language that you want to use for the patterns, and then wait for it. So now click on next. You see welcome to AUDACES patterns. Click on next. Click on accept. Click on I accept the agreement. Click on next, and then click on next again. Click on next again, and then it will start to download. Now this takes a little while. Then once you finish downloading, you click that it is a single, it's going to be for a single computer, not multiple. And then you allow it to install on your computer. Now you've completed the AUDACES pattern setup wizard. You click on finish, and there you have your AUDACES pattern icon on your computer. Now you have the icon on your computer. You will click on the icon of the AUDACES patterns. This is what opens up. So this is the AUDACES pattern. Now this is an advert. I have to remove it. Let me see how I can remove this advert. Okay, now I have removed the adverts. Now we can continue. So this here is the AUDACES CAD pattern drafting software. You can see at the bottom here you have a lot of things that you can use when you're using the AUDACES pattern drafting software. And up here you have some shortcuts that you can also use, and each of them can be used for one thing or the other when you're drafting your patterns using the AUDACES pattern drafting software. Here you have other menus. You have the home, you have the building menu where you do a lot of things like creating lines, extending lines, using curve, splitting curve, and all that. You have the produce tab where you can use for shrinkage, for symmetry line, for hems, to remove seams and all that. You have the marks where you can, put text, where you can do a lot of things when it comes to pattern drafting. You have, of course, the grading. The grading menu, you can do automatic grading. You can, get the rules for grading, remove your grading, copy your grading, and all that. You have the manipulation tools, where you can modify a lot of things in your pattern, everything that you need to modify your pattern. You have the conference menu, you have the garments menu, where you can also do a lot of things with it, information about your garments, your pattern information, and all that. Everything is found on this menu. If you click on the file, the new will help you create a new file, open an old file. You can even get to already made patterns. Click on female to show you already made patterns that has to do with females. Say female gym pants, that is what it looks like. You can use these already made patterns and customize it to your own size. That I'm going to show you in subsequent videos. You can click on garments. You can find garments you've already done. You can edit your measurements here. You can import, other patterns into AUDACES patterns. You can plot, that is, you can convert your patterns from any format to a PDF download. You can configure by using the grading rules. You can use a lot of things here. So essentially, there's a lot in AUDACES pattern making software. There's a lot in it. And if I must say, it is, as far as I can see, there's so much for a beginner, to learn. Even though the actual pattern making might not be so difficult, but there's so much that you need to learn here, which might be very overwhelming for somebody that is just wanting to learn how to do digital pattern drafting. So this video, as I said, is all about downloading the AUDACES CAD pattern drafting software, taking you through what it actually looks like, taking you through the menus, and taking you through the shortcuts so that you know what the AUDACES CAD pattern drafting software is all about. In my next video, we'll actually go to creating a pattern, and we're going to be using all these shortcuts. We're going to be using these menus so that you actually see how you can use the AUDACES CAD pattern drafting software to create a pattern. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you stay tuned for my next video as I take you through step by step how to actually create a pattern using AUDACES pattern drafting software.